Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fund a Skrill account or deposit money on Skrill. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. It's a very easy process. I'm going to guide you through step by step, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now we are here in the skrill.com, the official website. In the page, deposit however you like, and you can simply, first thing you can find is make a deposit right over here. Now first thing, go ahead, register right away so you can do the deposit at once. We can tap on make a deposit, which will give you various options. You can do deposit through, right, and that could be the credit or debit card. Now as I mentioned, you have to go ahead, sign in first so you can go through the menu options. But once you have gone through that, you will find the option of credit or debit card, and then you can go ahead, tap on deposit now. You can say deposit fund from a credit debit card is simply and instant. All you need is your card number, expiry date, and security code. Once you add that, you can add a fund to your account with your credit or debit card. Next thing is, you can also make a deposit from your bank account as well. You may have to make sure that you have enough amount in your bank account so your deposit does not decline. Make sure you enter the correct bank credentials and contact your bank to authorize the payment if they decline your transaction or the amount has been cut in your bank but it hasn't shown on Skrill. That's what you can do. Simply get logged in, add in your card's information, and there you go. You will be able to deposit money on Skrill or add fund likewise. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.